ladies and gentlemen, I am back with my first unboxing. So let's see what's in here. As you can see, it is an Amazon box. I don't have a really cool trusting. I do, but I don't know where it is. So I'm gonna open this up. This is something really cool that I have been wanting for a while. So I'm gonna open this up. I love how Amazon just gives you these huge boxes. And as you can see, what's inside is let's move that box out the way, is the Ubeesize ring light set. That is so cool. And once again, Amazon has done me right by sending me a brand new unit, because sometimes they'll send you something that they sold to somebody and they didn't want it and they send it back. So I'm hoping this is brand new. Let's see what that says. It says UBeesize 12-inch ring light with tripod selfie ring light with 62-inch tripod stand light ring for video recording, live streaming, YouTube, some other stuff that's kind of blocked out that I can't see. So we're gonna get this open. So there we go. I'll flip that up. All right, so let's see. It's first thing we open up is this here, logo on it. Second thing here, looks like the tripod, right? And then it is the light, and I love how they had this package. This is so cool, and it's probably really good that they packaged this like this. So yeah, this is definitely brand new because this hadn't even been, seal hadn't even been broken. So let me be careful so I don't want to break that. And you get the light itself, and you get the instructions. So this is the light. I've always wanted one of this. This is so cool. So that's the light. The instructions. You get your tripod. And I currently have my recording device on the tripod, but this, I believe, is going to be even bigger than that. So let's see if we, yeah, it has a lock down at the bottom. This is really cool. So as you can see, I'm gonna set stand up here so you can actually see it, and then I'm going to set it down on the ground. May not be able to get it all in the shot of how tall this thing is, but let's look at that. Look how tall that thing is. Wow, that's excellent. That's like really tall. Okay, all right. So let's go back. Let's set this thing down. This is a really cool tripod. This can lock in place. And so in here, let's see what we got. We got the mount for your phone. You've got a remote that says iOS and Android so that you can control your phone so you can record or take photos. And you've got the power plug, 12 volt, I think, maybe, or 5 volt, maybe. I can't read what that says, but that's your adapter, and it plugs in here on the side, and then it just plugs into your wall. Has your on off, plus minus, and I'll kind of read in that. This is my first time using it, so your adapter, you can put that here, and any other item that you have that's able to sit on that to use that. So that is really cool. So that has been my quick unboxing of the UBeesize ring light. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.